which gets you a lot more cheaper clicks doing it that way. Now, I use Shopify apps to do my retargeting, and there's many other ways to run ads, but for the most part, we promote almost, say, 80% of our traffic is coming through Facebook. We also do a bunch of other stuff, but for the main part, when you first get started, Facebook's going to give you the most juice and the most targeting, and you want to start from there before you go to any other avenue, because it's the quickest way to get up and running and to get traffic fast, and it's going to be the most targeted traffic you'll ever see. So here's an example ad, okay, for pug lovers. Okay, I love my pug. Then you got the pug on the one side. Okay, then go here. Okay, so that's a real simple example of an ad there, and that shows you where there's no price tag on the image. Back in the day, about a year or two ago, you used to have people have buy now today and then have a big old price tag. You don't want to do anything like that. You just want to get a conversation going. So step number 4, Facebook ads. Okay, let's set up a test ad. Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick a simple process of how to set up your first Facebook ad.